Okay, we're going to add in 1 cake mix. Mine's yellow. I guess you could do white too. I'm working on cleaning out my pantry and using up some things that I need to use up. So I had the yellow cake mix. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 stick of melted butter. And then I'm going to just whisk this up. Which it's kind of clumpy, but that's okay, because it's going in here. And here it will not be clumpy. Just sprinkle it over it. Boy, did it stick in the boot. I wouldn't use a whisk on this. A wooden spoon would have been better. There we go. Then we'll pour the rest out. Just crumbling it on top. There we go. I'm trying to get my crumbles kind of spread out. We are going to bake this at 350 for, let's see, for 30 minutes. Alexa, this was really good, warmed with a little ice cream.